For question 9, they've said sec A equals to minus 3, where A is from pi over 2 to pi. And they're asking for the value of tan A. There's two ways to go about this. The first way is recognize that tan A is related to sec A and use our identities. So 1 plus tan squared A equals to sec squared A, and in this case sec squared A equals to plus 9, because minus 3 squared gives us 9. So therefore 1 plus tan squared A equals to 9, and tan squared A equals to 9 minus 1, which is 8. Bring this over here. We then have tan squared A equals to 8, and tan A equals to root 8 plus or minus. The way we would figure out whether it's plus or minus is using this region they've given us, our cast diagram. It's going to indicate what it is. Pi over 2 to pi is this region, pi over 2 to pi, and tan is negative in this region, as tan is only positive in the t and a region. So therefore it should be tan A equals to minus root 8, which is the same as minus 4 times minus 2, which is then the same as minus 2 root 2. Our other way of doing it is when you have sec A, this is your answer, sec A equals to minus 3. Change this into your identity of cos. So you're going to have 1 over cos A equals to minus 3, and cos A equals to minus 1 over 3. Once you have that, you can draw out a triangle, where this is a right angle triangle and this is A. That means cos A, that is ka. Minus 1 over 3 is adjacent over hypotenuse. So to get 1 over 3, this must be 1 and this must be 3, as 1 over here is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 3. And tan A would be toa, so ka toa, which is opposite over adjacent. We need to find what this opposite is, and we're going to use Pythagoras. 3 squared equals to 1 squared plus x squared. X squared equals to 9 minus 1, which is 8. And then x equals to root of 8. Therefore, that's root 8. Tan A, using the triangle, is opposite over adjacent, which is root 8 over 1, should be plus or minus, which is the same as plus minus root 8. And to figure out whether it's plus or minus, you're going to use a quadrant rule that we did. It's in this region, it's in this region, tan must therefore be negative, so it's minus root 8, which is the same as minus 2 root 2.